Do you want to grow indoor plants but are too tired to take care? Introducing Plafre, a 21st century home decor. It's a bioframe that lets you grow small plants on a vertical frame. In addition, it can be used as a photo frame, which even prettifies the look.
For better growth of plants and for an artistic look, Plafre has an inbuilt LED that gives a specific spectrum to the plant, resulting in maximum yield growth. It also has an inbuilt water channel and a slider at the bottom of the frame to remove access.
Plafre is space efficient and space parties. Its components are reusable in such a sense that customer can shop for trays which will be available in a variety of plant species.
Recently, in metropolitan cities, we have experienced the worst of air pollution. Research shows that indoor plants are not only natural purifiers, but it also sharpens the focus, reduces stress, increases productivity, concentration, and creativity. Plafre, all-in-one solution to your problem.